Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to factory reset and configure your OnePlus N10. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Before you reset your phone, be sure that you have backed up your personal data appropriately. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Here you will find Reset Options. Tap on it. Then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Now tap on Erase All Data. From the pop-up window, tap on Confirm. Now tap on Erase All Data from the bottom. The device will reboot and begin resetting to factory settings. The process will take a few minutes. The factory reset has been done. Now you need to configure. Tap on the Start button. Read the terms and conditions, and then tap Agree. From the pop-up window, tap Agree. You can insert SIM cards now, or tap on Skip. You can connect to any Wi-Fi network, or you can do this later. From the pop-up window, tap Continue. Change the date and time if it is needed. Then tap on Next. Scroll down and tap on Accept. From this page, tap on Agree. You can add your fingerprint now, or you can do this later. You can set screen lock now, you can also do this later. From the pop-up window, tap on Skip Anyway. Choose any of these fonts, and then tap on Next. Choose between navigation bar and gestures that you prefer. Then tap on Next. And finally, tap on Start. That's it. Your phone has been configured. So in this way, you can factory reset and configure your OnePlus N10. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.